Poor Firebird.
It's a TA actually.
Yeah, rim.
It's a TA.
Uh-huh.
Big old.
70 Comet 2-door right there.
A V8 car?
Ford, big block, Galaxy 500 convertible. Automatic on the column.
Volkswagens. And the damn floors. You got more than one or two Volkswagens.
What was that, sir? I'm sorry?
The floors are not rusted out. Look inside that thing. And it opened.
Oh, yeah. It's clean.
And it opened up like that. I don't know.
Like I said, as long as it's allowed to evaporate, it doesn't usually cause many problems. Oh, blackberries? Blueberries? Lots of VW bugs.
I know. Yeah, a couple.
What year is this Toyota right here?
87.
Hey, Bill.
I know, a truck for Ashley.
Yeah. All right, Mustang, Ford truck, Power Glide 4-door.
Wow.
Yeah, Rambler over there.
327 Rambler.
Uh-huh. Falcon Future. Ow, ow, ow. Pointy needles hurt.
327 Rambler.
327 Rambler. 4-door. Another Ranchero. Oh, yeah.
66, and what's next to it? Is that LTD?
Oh, I see a Mopar over there in a second. Here's the Ranchero wagon. Oh, don't hurt yourself.
Oh, I lost my glasses.
Oh, can't have that.
Oh. Look at the old camper. That's cool. What do they put it on a truck?
Impala 4-door. I think a Polaire or something over there. That's a 68. 68.
The Mopar?
Yep.
That's 383 car.
Uh-huh. 68 Newport or something like that.
Yeah. Look at
Oh, Econoline pickup. Or a RV.
Look, it's got dual.
A friend of mine just picked one of these up.
302. Wow. It didn't come with that, I don't think.
No, they did. They did.
Oh, it did?
And these, they would be swapped in.
It's 302.
Uh-huh. Because the inline 6 couldn't move it.
That's cool. That could be restored.
Oh, absolutely.
Dad used to drive that all the time.
I'm sorry, I was wrong. 67.
Okay. Is this SS? No, it's 4-door.
No.
63.
Yeah, 632 door, single antenna. Look at that thing. That thing is cool. Here in the junkyard.
Oh, yeah, another Mustang up top.
Then a Mustang up there, 60. That's a 64 through 66. Notchback. Buick Straight A, 3 on the tree, he said. Oh, here's my minivan.
Oh, cool. Then you open it and the creatures jump out. Disturb the raccoons and such. Wow. Oh, I don't charge extra for those. For the raccoons, yeah.
Look at the 3 portholes.
These hoods raise up this way.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Right.
That was a good van.
That Dodge minivan's really why I'm here. Matador. Galaxy wagon. Mercury Bobcat. Pinto. Glastron boat. Up here's a Trans Am Firebird.
Yep. That Gladiator truck is up here on the left. It's just a shell, I think.
Poor Firebird.
It's a TA actually.
Yeah, rim.
It's a TA.
Uh-huh. Oh, I didn't even see the convertible over here.
That's a Mustang.
Yeah, Mustang convertible. Bill, see the Mustang convertible?
I did.
Okay.
I want to see if I can find that truck.
All right. That is cool.
For sale. I don't even know if it's ever. Oh,
Ford Falcon Sport Coupe.
right.
Coupe.
We have a Torino back here.
Automatic on the column. With bucket seats and a buddy seat or a console.
Past that Torino back there. Here's the one I'm talking about.
What about the Dodge Omni?
Yeah, man.
Fastback Torino over there. Dodge Omni right here.
That's a
Pinnacle.
Plymouth Horizon. Same thing.
Plymouth Horizon, yeah.
Same thing.
Plymouth Horizon. The epitome of Mopars. Second gen minivan.
Here's the one Ryan I like.
Yeah.
They ship every
This is the car my friend Bill really wants. Fairlane 500 four-door. Why? I do not know. He is weird. No, it's actually a really cool car. And we're getting back into some of the older stuff. And a little bit of newer stuff, apparently. Oh, there's an Eclipse. Oh, they really stashed everything in here. Oh, there's a Neon. All right, here's some Ford, more Fords. Now here we're carrying up to an Impala. You can say it's a 62 SS Impala. A little bit of an accident in the back.
They want those gold.
Yep. Chevelle.
62 Chevelle. I just 68 Elko.
You'll see that.
Automatic on the column. Buckets or bench seat car.
That's gold.
Yeah. Chevelle.
I got a weird request. I don't know if you have one, but you know what I'm looking for? 7780 red Thunder. Ugly. They look like
That's
little
cool.
Trans Ams. For 65 Cyclone.
1965 Mercury Cyclone. Comet, based on the Comet. Yeah.
It is, man. It looked like a Pontiac for a second.
Hey, well, that rear tail panel looks like a 65 GTO-ish.
Yeah. And here I am, a Cyclone owner, don't recognize one of the family.
How dare you?
How dare I? Man, those are nice doors too.
Those are.
Those are really nice doors.
You know they're the same as the Falcons.
Yeah, and
This was when Bill and I and the owner, Steve, we really started going through a majority of his yard. Unfortunately, with the growth so high, even in, this is like mid-June, it was really hard to see some of the cars. Really, if you wanted to see everything, you'd have to go there either in the fall or winter when things are down, the growth is down. Especially, I mean, there was tons of VW bugs, and you couldn't see half of them. They were literally covered in kudzu vines. It was sad to see, but also really interesting since I don't get that kind of experience very often. I mean, there are cars completely covered. This was one of my favorites, though, the Ford Econoline pickup truck that had been converted into an RV. That thing was just so neat. I love those, you know, snub nose vans like the Dodge A100 and I think Chevy had the Corvair versions. But there was a bunch of really cool cars, and I even missed a bunch because of just, I didn't have enough time to walk the whole yard and document every little thing. But like that Falcon, that I guess it was like a version of the like Ford GT, like it was a high performance version in that era, like the sprint was earlier. It was really neat to see a lot of stuff that it's been sitting a long time, but it's not rusting away because of the environment it's in. So it was a lot of fun. I'm glad I was able to do it with Bill and Steve, and I'm hoping, if everything works out, that I'll be able to get back there probably in early June, right before the Hot Rod Power Tour of 2023, which I'll be going on. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that video from the Tennessee yard still. A lot of cool Fords and a few cool Mopars, like that minivan. You know that's where I was. Unfortunately not, just kidding. I have my minivan, but it's not good. But currently, I'm getting ready to go to Detroit for the WPC, which is the Walter P. Chrysler swap meet in Detroit. So I'm going there tomorrow, and I'll be there through, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So if you do see this video, there'll still be time to come and see me or talk or whatever. If you want to meet up or something, drop me a comment or email or whatever. You know, my stuff's always in the description. And there's always going to be a new video on Mondays. But getting some stuff for the green car, getting some stuff for the blue car. So should be a nice little trip. And then from there, the weekend after is the Mopar swap meet in Chicago. And then at the beginning of March is the swap meet in Indianapolis. So I'll be traveling the next about 4 weeks pretty consistently. So it should be fun. So like I said, if you have any comments or questions, drop me a line. I'll be around. Otherwise, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.